His team scrambles to find a coherent legal strategy, now being coordinated by Trump advisor David Bossie. Lawsuits filed in Michigan, Georgia, and Nevada have already been dismissed, and the recounts the campaign plans to request in Wisconsin and Georgia are unlikely to change the result. So Team Trump is focused on Pennsylvania, trying to get ballots received within a 3-day window after Election Day tossed out. Philadelphia's mayor is fed up with the legal assault.
What the president needs to do is, frankly, put his big boy pants on. He needs to acknowledge the fact that he lost, and he needs to congratulate the winner.
But the president has told his aides he has no plans to concede to Joe Biden.
There's tremendous corruption and fraud going on.
Instead, without evidence, he continues to allege fraud. Some of his fellow Republicans are not convinced.
There is simply no evidence that anybody has shown me or anyone else I'm aware of any kind of widespread corruption or fraud.
Republican Senator Ben Sasse of Nebraska said in a pointed statement, voter fraud is poison to self-government. So these are major allegations. If the president's legal team has real evidence, they need to present it immediately. Now, an outside advisor to President Trump says despite the campaign's legal fight, the president is resigned to the fact that he may lose. They say that he understands that the math simply may not be there for him. Michelle.
And the count continues. Ben, thank you.